October sales report and best-selling items. For the month of October, I had 92 sales across all stores. This is a 30% increase from the 71 sales I had in September. Sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie 40, and 2 of them were my own purchases. Weddings by Rhoadie 16, Homeschool Me 2, Rhoadie's Kitchen 23, Alma Africa 9, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, and they both were my purchases, and Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. In first place was my Best Grandpa Ever photo t-shirt. My Happy Birthday to my husband photo greeting card was in second place. And my Birthday Wishes for Him photo card came in third place. The rest of my sales included items such as shot glasses, a corkscrew bottle opener, business cards, buttons, wrapping paper, leggings, a tablecloth, a favor box, paper plates, coffee mugs, stationery, bath towels, postcards, stickers, file folders, a water bottle, and wine totes. Customer demographics. 62% of my customers were from the U.S. and 38% international. 78% of my customers were women, 17% men, and 5% unknown. My top 2 states, 16 customers, or 16 sales came from Texas and 4 sales came from California. For my international sales, I had 1 sale from Germany, 18 from Australia, 11 from Canada, 3 from the United Kingdom, and 2 from France. Honorable mentions. Not only was this paper plate purchased, but it was transferred. The design was transferred to 3 tablecloths and 30 favor boxes, so that is a great achievement. Referrals. I had 0 referrals for the month of October. Takeaways. The transfer design is a very good tool. My paper plates, the design on it being used on tablecloths and favor boxes yielded me an extra $40 of royalties that I would not have received otherwise. It also helped me to better understand what customers are looking for when they shop at my store. For example, with the leopard print paper plates, I wouldn't have never thought to transfer it onto a tablecloth or favor boxes because I didn't know that would be in demand. So it can give you new product ideas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.